Hey there YouTube. So today I'm going to be working on this old Jeep Wrangler YJ. This sure is a 89. As far as I know, 87 through 95 should all be the same. Problem I got today is I've got two broken wheel studs there. So we're going to go ahead and get the wheel pulled off and get the brake caliper pulled off, the rotor pulled off, and see if we can't change them out. So it'll be a short video, but I'll take you along as I do this. I'm going to go ahead and get it jacked up real quick and go from there. Okay, so real quick, got the wheel pulled off. You can see here's the problem. A couple broken lug studs. I'm not sure what size the factory lug nuts are. These are aftermarket wheels, but these took a 3/4 inch socket. Just zipped them off real quick. Okay, I'm not going to show me do this, but I will show you what's going on here. On the back of the caliper, it's real simple, just like most vehicles. We're just going to take these two caliper bolts off. You get this wrench in there, right there. There's one on top, another one on the bottom. And for this particular one, we're using a half inch socket to do it. Okay, as you can see, we got the brake caliper off. That was as simple as removing these two bolts that are both 1/2 inch. And then after that, the rotor is loose. So we're going to go ahead and pull the rotor off real quick. Okay, there's the rotor. There's the wheel bearing. And then here's the studs. So now we're going to try to beat these out and I'll get back to you. Alrighty, so here's where I am so far. I had to get the little propane torch, apply some heat, get it pretty hot. You can see it smoking. Use a little penetrating oil and the persuader here. And we got them to come out. Now I'll just go ahead and finish removing them. Okay, now I've never removed wheel studs on a Jeep, but just like any other vehicle, on this one here, you can't get them out through the top. You got to go through the bottom here where there's an opening. And you just put the hub assembly toward the bottom and they'll pop right out, and there they are. I'll be back with you. Okay, you can order these online, eBay, Amazon, wherever. I got mine at the Riley's up the road. I believe they were, you know what, I can't even tell you what thread pitch they were. I don't remember. But anyway, you ask for this vehicle, they'll give you the right ones. It is a Dorman part. I want to say like 1/2 inch 20, something like that, but don't quote me on it. Okay, so just with the hub assembly, with the stud here you want to put in, just try to get it in from the back here, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, as you can see, we got one in. I didn't tighten it, but it's in there. All you got to do is start it from the back and just give it a little tap with your hammer to get it in there, and it'll slide right on in. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, gonna try to do this with one hand, but it shouldn't be a problem. Just put it in from the back like that. And we'll just start, give it a little tap there. As you can see, she'll get in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these through now, get them on there tight. Alrighty, so I kind of skipped ahead and got this done. It was a real pain in the ass. As you can see, all my bent washers and all kinds of crap I ended up using and trying to get this stupid thing done. Apparently there was just a little bit too much rust in the holes. I eventually had to get the Dremel out with the little sanding thing that blew off of here. But anyway, just a little cylindrical sanding thing. Sand out some of the metal, use some anti-seize, and I ended up finally getting them on. Slipping a couple crescent wrenches over it like that. Then putting the lug nut on there and cranking that son of a gun down as tight as my Harbor Freight. It's supposed to be like 500 or 700 foot-pounds, which it isn't. I'm guessing maybe 250 on a good day. But anyway, finally got them on there. So that's how you would do it. Out of everything I had in the garage, I just couldn't find anything that would work. Ideally, you'd want some washers to stack on here, and then you could use your lug nut or a socket that would fit over it. I just ended up using, like I said, 2 crescent wrenches, the lug nut that spaced it, so you need to space that shoulder. And then when you tighten it, it pulls the lug nut through. Got them on there, cleaned the other 3 up, put some anti-seize, ran the lugs on them a few times, got it all nice and clean. So that's what it takes to get them in there. I would have liked to show you more, but you know, as time went, this is just how it kind of went along. But hopefully it helps someone. It's not really a bad job. Thanks for watching.